In spite of the Ford Edge entering its 9th design year on sale, the 2024 Edge is expected to be a carryover model. Reports as well as records indicate that the Edge could be discontinued in the future, which implies that it wouldn't make a great deal of sense for Ford to make any type of significant updates to the midsize SUV. As a carryover model, the 2024 Ford Side must share the very same exterior style as the existing version that's on sale. The present SUV features muscular lines on the hood, triangular front lights, an oval grille, as well as triangular intermediaries in the front fascia. At the back, the Edge has rectangular front lights, available dual exhaust electrical outlets, and also a deep cutout in the liftgate. Contrasted to the various other two-row midsize SUVs in the course, the existing Side has an outdated layout with a boring dashboard design, vertically oriented air vents, and also undesirable physical controls. To maximize some space in the center console, the Edge has a dial for the transmission. Fit and surface as well as construct quality are below par in the Side. We don't anticipate to see any kind of modifications to the Edge's inside for 2024. While the Edge is among the older SUVs in the class, it includes innovative technology features. The present SUV comes with a 12-inch touchscreen, Android vehicle, Apple CarPlay, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Amazon Alexa, 4 USB ports, and 6 audio speakers as standard. Available features consist of navigating, a Bang & Olufsen audio system, and a cordless charging pad. These functions ought to remain to be available on the 2024 Ford Side. Ford is anticipated to remain to use the 2024 Edge with the same powertrains as the existing model on sale. The Edge includes a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder that makes 250 horsepower standard. A twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6 engine that makes 335 horsepower is offered. The four-cylinder engine includes an 8-speed automated, while the V6 has a 7-speed automatic transmission. All side trims include basic four-wheel drive. When it concerns conventional safety functions, the Side features automated emergency braking, ahead accident warning, pedestrian detection, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot tracking, lane separation caution, lane keeping aid, as well as automatic high beam help. Offered safety and security features include lane centering help, incredibly elusive steering assist, flexible cruise ship control, back car parking sensing units, and a front view cam.